We're coming up on the ducks. Don't know why they stopped. In fact, I see one of the other big boats has stopped also. Actually, a couple of them. But just a bunch of ducks. Chevy Duck is right here. He just pushed off from shore down this way, and he's making his way to the other ducks. We're still about 5 or 6 miles from first camp, so I'm not sure why everybody stopped here. Not sure. Don't get too close here. Yeah, they're doing a repair. That much is obvious. Hey, you guys good? Smile, you're on camera. Yeah, they're doing a repair. Oh, this is a couple other small boats. I don't think I've seen that one yet. He might be the support boat. Oh, look at, he's even got a little air wind meter on top. We saw him put in earlier. Maybe he's just cruising with these guys and letting them go. Yeah. So there it is. There's the ducks. We passed them. That was the goal. Past the ducks. They had about a 2.5 hour start on us. Looks like they stopped to do some repairs on one of the ducks back there. Hey, how you doing? Hey, say cheese. Yep. One of the ducks had a failure. Oh, really? Get a bunch of them. That was probably a pretty rough crossing for them. So there's the ducks. They've stopped. We'll see how far they get. They may actually stop at our camp, depending on how long it takes them to get moving again. They're slow. They're really slow. They need to get as many miles as they can while daylight's going. In the meantime, that's where we're going. You still see some sails up there. Oh, look at all the birds. They're all hunkered down. Seagulls. I saw some sort of raptor earlier. Big blackbird. Anyway, signing off till we hit the camp. Hopefully. Maybe before then if we catch somebody else up here.